Hello, good morning to everyone. Dear students, today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 7. It is coordinate geometry. It is very easiest chapter in our syllabus. And from this chapter, every year 6 marks of the question is always come. And it is very easy chapter. It is based on This chapter is based only 3 formulas. Understand here? If you know these 3 formulas, you can solve questions very easily. Okay. So before start our exercise, we should know some basics of coordinate geometry. We have already discussed about coordinate geometry here in 8 and 9 class. First thing is coordinate geometry. What is coordinate? So look at, if I ask you, please denote what is the position of this point. If we want to find the position of this point, so we need always 2 perpendicular line. In 8th class, do you remember in 9th class also? If we want to find, if we locate the position of any point, we need 2 perpendicular lines. What we call? These are perpendicular. 90 degree both are each other. All are 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. So if you want to find the position of any point, so we need 2 perpendicular lines. So first note down, to locate the position of a point. To locate the position of a point in a plane. Plane means where we are showing our points, it is called plane. Our board is a plane, okay? So in a plane, we need a pair of coordinate axes. What is meaning of coordinate axes? These perpendicular lines. Either you can say that perpendicular lines or coordinate axes. What we call coordinate axes. So pair of coordinate axes or a pair of perpendicular lines. These are perpendicular lines. Look at here. Next thing is, and this plane where we are showing the point, this plane is called Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. This plane name is either you can say that Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. So don't be confused. Either maybe in the question is given for Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. Both are same. Okay. Whether you will say it Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. Always remember, dear, you know these are the coordinate axes, perpendicular lines. So tell me, these 2 coordinate axes divide the plane in how many parts? 4 parts. First, second, third and fourth. And these 4 part is called quadrant. What is a quadrant? So coordinate axis, or you can say that perpendicular lines divide the plane into 4 quadrant, 4 parts, and these parts are called a quadrant. Understand here? And everyone know both of perpendicular lines meet at, intersect each other at some point or not. Suppose it is point O, and this where they are intersect each other, it is called a origin. What we called a origin. The point of intersection of the coordinate axis is called the origin. Understand here? Next thing, and everyone know in 8th class, do you remember in 9th class, if we want to find coordinate of any points, so every point, it is this point, if we want to find, it is x coordinate, it is y coordinate. Always right side positive number. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also 1, 2, and it is 3. Find the coordinates of this point. So every point has 2 coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, and always first we will write a x coordinate. What we will write? A x coordinate. So what is this point from here to here and this? So x coordinate, how much? It is from only this distance. It is 2. And how much y coordinate? From here to here, how much? It is 3. So always first we will write x coordinate, and second then we will write a y coordinate. Understand here? तो So every point has how many coordinate? 2 coordinate, x coordinate or a y coordinate. Understand? Always 2 coordinate. Understand? If I ask you what is the coordinate of this point, so it is also 2 coordinate, 2 and 0, because how much far from it is y, 2, and how much far from x is 0, so 2. So please note down it, these points, then we will discuss more points. Okay, note down it. Now next dear, what is x coordinate? Look at now how to find the x coordinate of a point and how to find a y coordinate. So what is x coordinate? X coordinate we can say that also dear abscissa. What is abscissa? If you want to find the coordinate of this point, it is a point, any point, and find its coordinate. Everyone know every point have 2 coordinate, x coordinate and a y coordinate. So how to find x coordinate? Look at the perpendicular distance of a point from y axis. If we want to find x coordinate, we will check it's how much distance from the y axis, and this distance must be perpendicular. What is? So look at it is a point, and if we want to find its x coordinate, so what we will check it? The perpendicular distance from the y axis. So it is how much far from y? It is this distance. So this distance equal to how much? It is 2. Understand? And we will see only perpendicular. Perpendicular means it is a straight line, not like this one. It is also distance. It is also distance. Okay, but we will see always a perpendicular distance. Next is same as it is y coordinate or ordinate. Y coordinate we can say that ordinate also. So the perpendicular distance of a point from x axis. If we want to check y coordinate, so we will check perpendicular distance from x axis. If we want to find x coordinate, perpendicular distance from y axis. So now we want to write its y coordinate. The y coordinate how we will write? Perpendicular distance from x. So how much it is x? So this is, it is equal to 3. 2 and 3. Understand? So always remember dear, how to find x coordinate, how to find y coordinate. X coordinate means perpendicular distance from y. Y means perpendicular distance from x. Understand? Note. Next thing is dear, everyone know these are 4 quadrant. In first quadrant, look at x is here 1, 2, minus, left side minus. It is 1 on upside positive and downside negative, minus 1 minus. Look at in the first quadrant, x is here positive, y is also positive. So in both coordinate are positive. 2 positive, 3 positive, both in first quadrant. Next is here x is negative and y is here positive. Always first we will write x coordinate. X is here negative, y is also negative. X is here positive and it is negative. Okay, these already we have already learned in 9th class also. No? So what is the sign of the coordinates in first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. Next thing is here, if any point on the x-axis, look at here, any point on x-axis, how to find coordinate? So very simple here. It is origin, and origin coordinate is 0 and 0 because x is also 0. This point 1, 2, 1, 2, and what is the coordinate of this one? Look at it is a point, and if we want to write its x coordinate, so we will check it. X coordinate mean half perpendicular distance from y. So this point is how many from y? 2. Understand? And next is y coordinate, perpendicular distance from x axis, and this point is already on x axis, and it is how many far from x? 0. 0 or not? Because this point is already on x axis. So it means both are coincident each other or not? So it means 2 and 0. Same as it is also 1, 0. Same as it is this point 3, 0. We observe that on x-axis y coordinate is always 0 and x coordinate. So the coordinate of a point on x-axis is always there is some x or not, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, and x is some and y is how much? 0. Understand or not? Same as it is, this is point, it is -2. So what is coordinate? -2 and 0. So x and 0. Understand, Anish? Next is the coordinates of a point on y-axis. Now it is y-axis. So y-axis, how will you find? First we will find x coordinate. How much far from x coordinate? Y from y-axis. So this point is already on y. It is 0 and there is some y. And how much y? Y is 2. So 0, 2. So coordinates of a point on y-axis is always 0 and it is very important here. In the question is already given the how much distance of this point from x-axis. So if whenever we will write from x-axis, so we will take point x0. If we will take how much from y, so we will take 0 y. Understand here? So note down it. So now we have already learned in 9th class. So it was only basics. Now we will start our exercise. Okay? I hope everyone know already this one. Okay? So note down it, please. Now dear, we will start this chapter with a formula. Okay? What is its name? With distance formula. As you can guess from the name, distance formula. It means we have to find the distance between two objects. Okay? But we are talking here about coordinate geometry. So it means it is a plane dear, look at, and find the distance between A and B in a coordinate plane. Because A is also a point, B is also a point. If A is a point, it means A has two coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate, x and y, and B is also a point, so it is also two coordinate, x and y. But dear, x and y, but if I write xy, it means both are same, because xy, so it means we will give their different notation. It means it is x1, it is y1, x2, y2. It's very simple dear. If I take any 2 point in a plane, it is maybe 3, 4, it is maybe 4, 3. Both are different or not? Maybe it is 6, 3. But if I write this point and again this point, so it means then both are same. Okay? Because if I write here also 3, 4, it means both points should be same. So both are present here, not here. Understand or not? So same as it is, I take A is here, B is here. So it means A coordinate x1 and y1 and B coordinate x2 and y2. So now we have to find distance between A coordinate and B coordinate. Because every point has two coordinate or not, x and y. Maybe 5, it is 3. It is -4, it is 5. Any numbers. So now how to find distance? Look at here. In the 6th class, here we are talking about Anish, two-dimensional in coordinate plane, x-axis and y-axis. But in 6th class, we discussed the number line. Everyone know it is a number line. It is here 0, right side positive 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, and understand? And I am saying you one point is here A and one point is B is here. Find the distance between these 2 points. So distance. So how to find? So distance between, how to find? It is how much from 0 to 4. So B, so we will find B. From here to here B how much? 4 minus 0 to A is how much? 1 or not? 4 minus 3 how much? Distance is 3. Understand? But it is only in one dimension when we are talking about a number line. Because you can say AB is distance how much? 3? Yes. 1, 2. Only 3 units or not? Understand? Same as it is here. We will find the distance between these 2 points. And in the coordinate plane, we cannot find directly x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. No. Because here how many coordinate? 2 coordinate. But here only 1 coordinate. 4 minus 1. So it is easily find. So what is its formula? Always whenever I write any 2 point A, B, it's mean AB mean distance between A and B. So how will you find? Look at, very simple. Look at board. First we will take x coordinate. Look at from 0 to B minus. So we will write here. Suppose it is O point. OB minus OA from starting to last point. Same as it is, we will find x2 minus x1. What we will write? Second coordinate x2 minus x1 and its square. What is? Understand it? x2 minus x1 and its square plus y2 minus y1 and its square. Understand? And in last, under the root hole, it is formula. Very simple. Take the difference of x coordinate and y coordinate and add them and take the under the square root. Do you know what is its symbol? Square root. Square root or not? So it means, again, look at here. Very simple. If you understand this formula, its proof is not in our syllabus, okay? So that's why I'm writing formula. So what is? So if you want to find distance between any 2 points, what we will write? And whole things, everything what we are finding, it is under the root. What is? Difference of x coordinate and its square, and add them difference of y coordinate minus this. It is distance formula. Understand? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and under the root. Note down it dear. Now we will finish this exercise only based on this formula. Understand? Please note down it. What is distance formula? Now dear, we start our exercise. Okay? Coordinate geometry. First question. Find the distance between points. So it means first point, second part, -5 and 7. So it means this point in the coordinate. Which coordinate? It is in second quadrant. It is also in second. Like this one. Okay? Like this one, it is given x and y. So what is? -5, 7. Suppose here. And next point is -1 and 3. It is here. Find distance A and B. Understand? So what we will write? No need to draw graph, okay? Only just for an explanation. So find. So we write let A. First point is A and second point name is B. Understand? So we want to find distance. So always first we will write using distance formula. Understand it? And what is distance formula? First we will write AB equal to, what is? First we will write always formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root. Now look at what? AB. So first thing is under the root. Next thing, x2 minus x1. Look at x2. Either you will take its x1, y1, x2, y2, or we can take x1, y1, x2, y2. So suppose we are taking, it is x1, it is y1, x2, y2. So first what is x2? How much x2? -1. Next is minus sign. Look at minus sign. -1. Next again minus sign and again x1. How much x1? -5. So we will write again minus like this one, because negative into negative become positive, and it's big bracket square. Understand? Now plus y2. Which one we take x to y2? Second point or not? So that's why. Okay. So y2 is how much? 3. Minus sign minus y1 how much? 7. Understand? Now AB is, now look at here, -1, negative into negative, positive. So it is plus 5 square plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 square. Many students always mistake it. They will write x2 minus x1. They will write direct x2 and it is minus x1 minus 5. No, always first we will write minus sign. Then if it is there is negative sign, so we will use bracket. Understand? Because negative negative become a positive. So next is here AB under the root. What is -1 plus 5? Yes, Anish. -1 plus 5, 4, and 4 square 16 plus -4 square, square of negative also positive, plus 16. Now AB is 16 plus 16, 32. We can leave it is here. Other we will write in simplest form also. Simplest form mean we will write. Can we write 32 16 into 2? We will write the factor of. We will take its factor of perfect square, because square root of 16 4 and square root of 2 is 2. So 4 into 2. Understand? Understand or not? So it is your answer. How much distance between them? 4 into root 2. Understand? Note down it dear. Next is dear third part. Find the distance between AB and minus A and minus AB. Same as it is like as last part. Let A is AB and B is minus A minus B. Using distance formula. So x2 minus x1. So x1 y1, x2 y2. So first is x2. How much x2? Minus A minus x1. How much? A square plus y2 minus b minus sign y1. How much? B and square. Minus a both are like term. Like term we can add and subtract. Both are same sign. 1a plus 1a 2a, and put the sign greater. Minus 2a square plus minus 2b square. So it is become square of negative number positive. 2 square 4 and a square plus minus 2 minus square positive. 2 square 4 and b square. Next is write in simplest form. What is common? 4 is common. A square plus b square. It means square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Under the root a square plus, can we write also? It is also a square plus b square is a plus b. No, we cannot write because they are in addition dear. A square plus b square. How can you write a plus b? A square, look at, it is 4, it is 2 square and it is 3 square. Okay. So 2 square, how much? 4. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9, 13. Its answer is root 13. And what we are saying? A plus b. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 its answer? No. Always remember dear, whenever they are in multiplication, because there is here multiply. So first square root of 4. Do you remember formula in 8th class? Root a into, not this one. It is a to the power m and b to the power m. What we can write? A into b to the power m if they are in multiplication. Same as it is. What is power of 4? Under the root 1 by 2 power, and it is also 1 by 2. So 4 under the root into this number, and square root of 4, 2 into 2, same as it is. A into b to the power m, it means a to the power m, b to the power also m, same as it is. It is a, it is b. Square root of 4, 2. Understand here? So don't be confused. Don't write under the root a square plus b square a plus b. If they are in multiplication, so we use this formula. Square root of a square, a, and it is ap. Understand? In addition and subtraction we cannot write. Understand here? So please note down it. So now dear, question number 2 you have to do yourself, because in question number 2 what is your distance between 0 to 0 and 36 and 15, like this one. It is in first quadrant. It is 0 0 where? It is 0 0 and it is 36 and 15, distance between these 2 points, and we will find by using of distance formula. Okay, so do yourself. Always remember distance formula. Understand here? So thank you everyone. Please try to solve second question. Tomorrow we will do rest of the question. Okay, thank you everyone.